In this video I'm gonna show you how we make calzone. Okay, now to make this beautiful calzone we're gonna need the next ingredients: baked ham, mozzarella, mushrooms. For this occasion I'll use champignons, pizza sauce, semolina flour, and last but not least, of course, you're gonna need a pizza dough. We start by stretching our pizza dough, as usual by hand. Only that this time we're gonna touch the edges, we're gonna press the edges and keep rotating like so. Use as much semolina flour as you need. Okay, clean just a little bit your table. Comb on the edge of your table and leave it hang like 40% of its total size, and keep stretching as you were before, like so. And quick enough, you'll find out that your calzone will reach its full size. Now, clean up your table. We don't need this semolina for now. Okay. And we start with the pizza sauce. And here is the trick to make a good calzone, so that it doesn't open in your oven. Leave like 2 fingers from the side as it is, and don't put pomodoro, because then we will fold it and it doesn't need to have pomodoro on the edges. And we start with the mozzarella. I use like 100-120 grams of mozzarella. Then we'll put the ham on top. And the next, we'll use our mushrooms, champignons. In this occasion I'll use champignons, but you can use any kind of mushrooms. Pizza sauce, you'll need like 80 grams, mozzarella 125 grams, and mushrooms around 60 to 80 grams. Then we fold it like so. And we lift up and we press. Lift up with 2 fingers and press. Lift up with 2 fingers and press. But you don't press like straight vertical, but a little bit on the side, on the right side. Up and press, up and press, up and press, up and press. And that's it. Et voilà. Now we'll just need to wait like 5 minutes. We have our oven up to 275 degrees. To make a good calzone, I guess that 250 degrees can be good enough. As soon as it turns golden brown, our calzone is ready. Dear friends, this is how an Italian calzone looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and until the next time, from Los Brano, bye bye.